Right, in this video I was changing backlights. So watch till the end. Watch how not to do the lights and how to do them properly, and how to improvise in a way that is gonna last. So please watch. If you like the video, please follow my channel. I'm also available on YouTube and on Instagram. This is an LG TV. So this is the original TV. It's coming from another technician. So look what they did. This obviously is not, it's unprofessional and it doesn't last. They bypassed lights 1, 2, 3 there, 4 there. Yeah, they bypassed about 4 lights, 4 individual LED lights. So what I'm gonna do, there's nothing I can do with these lights. I'm just gonna remove them. I've got other lights, working lights, this set, but they're a bit different. They might need a little bit of modification, but they are the same lights, and I think they work. The difference is this: these ones have just got 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 per half strip. Then these ones have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 per individual half strip. So that's the difference. So I'm gonna use this. I am gonna use this to fix this TV. And the connectors are the same. You can see here. This connector and that connector there. Just different color, and this one and this one. Where is it? Yeah, here. Right, so if you are removing these LED lights, sometimes they're glued stuck onto the board. So you need to get something in like this. Like the papers of a TV, like those ones, but thinner ones. They just put under, and then just put some force, slide a bit, like this. Because sometimes they put some glue underneath, but make sure you don't do it too hard, because you might end up damaging the connectors. So this is how you're supposed to do it. And then once it's done there, then you can just gently lift and pull. So you see, so all these, that's how I was removing them. Okay, so we've removed the old ones. So these are the ones that we have put. They are not new, but they were in good condition. I think they're in good condition because it's difficult to get these lights anymore for these older TVs. But I think these ones are fine. They're gonna work fine. It's better than what was done before. But still, they're a bit longer because this one was a 43-inch, an older version. So they're a bit bigger. But that can be sorted. That can be sorted. Right, so this is it. That's how we're gonna do it. I think it's gonna be fine. This is how it will look. Looks fine. Looks absolutely fine. Yeah, so you see the TV is coming on now. And it's got rich colors for an old TV. Colors are very rich. You can see there. Input list AV1. Let's put it on AV1. That's AV1, set-top box. Right, so this is it. You've closed it up. Finally, everything is closed up. Screws and everything. So it is fine. And I think it's gonna last. Now it's gonna last.